Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about e-rupee or digital currency. What is the basic difference between e-rupee and UPI? So today we will discuss about on that topic. So let's get started. Before 3 months ago, in December 2022, RBI has launched pilot project. In that project, there are two segments. One of them is wholesale segment and second is one retail segment. Wholesale segment is used by the big institution and banks, and retail segment is used for the general public. In that segment, RBI issues digital currency in form of a e-rupee. In digital currencies, all monies are included like 1 rupees to 2000 rupees or all the cryptocurrencies like bitcoins and ethereum etc. Digital currencies has started in 4 cities of India like Mumbai, Delhi, Bhubaneswar and Bangalore for testing purpose. The most important thing is that how to use that money. Suppose if you go to the market and there is no internet, if you want make payment to any shop, so how can you do that? So that time e-rupee can be used by using the code. If you remember the code of RBI's account, then you can make the payment by the using it. E-rupee is the money or currency that you can pay by using the code or you can pay by your phone. Now we are going to discuss about what is the basic difference between UPI and e-rupee. If you are using the UPI, you should have any bank account and internet should be available there. Apart from this, on the other hand, if you are using the e-rupee, that time there is no need to any internet or any bank account. If you have any code, then you can use the code and you can make the payment easily. But RBI account is not giving any interest for e-rupees. So that is the basic difference between both of them. Means UPI is a platform to make a payment and e-rupee is a individual currency. So my dear friend, I hope you have learned all the basic difference between UPI and e-rupee. For watching more videos, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye my dear.